Have you heard the news? One of India's most beloved comedians, Zakir Khan, has announced that he's taking a long break from comedy, and it could last up to 4 or 5 years. What does this mean for his fans, and why did Zakir feel the need to step away at the peak of his career? Let's break it down for you. Well, during his recent live show in Hyderabad as part of his Papa Yaar tour, Zakir opened up about his decision, looking visibly emotional. He said, "I will be going on a long break, probably till 2028 or 2029, maybe even 2030, to take care of my health and to sort out a few personal matters." Well, Zakir also thanked his fans wholeheartedly, saying, "Everyone present here is close to my heart. I will always be grateful to all of you. Your presence means the world to me." His gratitude was clear, but so was the seriousness of his decision. He later shared on Instagram that all the shows until June 20th, 2026 would be a celebration, urging fans to catch his remaining performances as he won't be touring extensively this time. Zakir has opened up about his health struggles, especially the toll of constant touring over the last decade. From early morning flights, irregular meals, back-to-back shows to poor sleep habits, his body has taken a serious hit. Well, in September 2025, he revealed that his break is long overdue and crucial to prevent further deterioration of his health. Fans were naturally concerned, but most expressed support and understanding towards the artist. Well, on Reddit, one user wrote, "Bhuvan took the break, came out with a banger, but that's it. These people have made enough money to live way above standard lifestyle and are sorted for the rest of their lives." Another fan commented, "There's nothing to worry about. He has made enough money, and such health issues are common when an artist overworks." While other reactions included, "I hope his health is fine and it's nothing serious." Another one commented, "Itna lamba wait karna padega, health should be the priority." Well, clearly fans are saddened, but they respect Zakir Khan's choice to prioritize his well-being over constant work. Well, as you all know that Zakir Khan has given India years of laughter, relatable stories and emotional moments. Now it's his turn to take care of himself. So whether you have laughed at Haq Se Single, cried at Papa Yaar, or just enjoyed his witty punchlines, let's all support him as he takes this much-needed pause. Remember, the remaining shows till June 20 are your chance to celebrate with him, live one last time before his long break. Well, Zakir's journey reminds us that health comes first, even for legends of laughter. But what do you have to say about this? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned to Bollywood Live for more such updates.